Hi, Mark Reedy here. Wanted to quickly go over the parts inventory that shows all parts on hand with a quantity greater than 0. So you'll find this underneath reports and then more reports. Go over here to parts inventory and then you see here it's called inventory all parts on hand quantity greater than 0. So if we click on that, we have some choices to narrow down the criteria and the sorting. And if we just leave it with the default settings, we can just click preview. And it's just going to show us all the parts on hand with a quantity greater than 0. And so this just shows you these columns here. So you have the part stock number, the manufacturer name, the description, the type, the bin location, the bin number, who the vendor is, the current quantity on hand. If there was a date that on hand was verified, it'll have that in there. It would have the quantity on reorder if anything has been reordered recently, and the date anything has been reordered. And then you have your cost per unit and your cost of the quantity on hand. It's not the selling price, it's what you paid for it. So, and then down at the bottom you have your grand total for this report for whatever criteria you've chosen. The other thing you can do is you can export this to Excel if you want to. Just click the green X here and that will export it out to Excel, and open up Excel and you'll be able to see the same data, and then you can kind of filter it. You do see the raw field names here. You'll see like S part number, S manufacturer number, and so forth. We don't need to share this. Close that. And so now you could click on your data tab if you wanted to here and click on the filter. Once you turn that on, you have the drop downs so you can sort and choose to see specific information like types and stuff like that. The other thing you can do is, we're going to go ahead and close this, and we'll go back to the report. And so here you could do the same thing. We just choose a type, for example. So say we wanted to choose cab, and we could just put the cab on the one side, I think, here, and then choose that, and you can see we're just showing the parts with the type cab as in this particular report. You could also choose descriptions. You could choose to see everything from a certain vendor if you wanted to, and then you can also sort it by any of these columns: part number, inventory type, part manufacturer number, or the description, or the vendor. So that's it for that report. Hopefully that helps, and that's it for now. Have a good one. Take care.